Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we will install the latest version of Python 3.12.2 in Windows PC 10.11. Whatever operating system you are using, Windows 11 and 10. The process of installing Python is the same in both. Let's start the video. Install Python 3.12.2. Go to any web browser on your Windows PC. Search Python download in search bar. First, open the official website python.org. You can also go to direct Python download by clicking on the link given in the description. You will see the latest version of Python 3.12.2 available to download on the screen. Here you will also see the option to download Python on other operating systems like Linux, Mac, Unix. Click on Download button. The download process will start. Once downloaded, open it. Here we will launch the Python installation wizard. Must check for python.exe to path. Click on Customize Installation. Next, you will see here under Optional Features that you have a lot of checkbox ticks, so you know you have to keep anything default, and also you have to select it for all users. Then click on Next. Here in Advanced Options, you select the first option, which is Python 3.12 installed for all users. You will see a customized location for installation. You can keep it default. Click on Install. Python installation will start. You will have to wait for some time. After some time, you will see on the screen that the setup was successful. Now click on Close. Verify Python installation. Now we will verify whether Python is installed on the PC or not. Go to the search bar of your Windows PC and search CMD. Open it. Here you type Python version and press Enter button. You will see Python 3.12.2 version on the screen. Now type next Python and press Enter button. You will see something like this on the screen. It means that Python has been successfully installed on your PC. Now we will type print Python world to get the output. We can see print world printing properly on the screen. Now go to Windows search bar and search idle. Open it. Here we will type print Python world and click Enter. You will see the Python world output on the screen. This means that the ideal cell has also been successfully established. This means that we have successfully installed the latest version of Python on Windows. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.